how to write a simple assembly language program in the Keel ARM IDE, and also how to save the result in the internal RAM of LPC2148. Let us explore that in this video. Hello guys, in my previous video you have seen how to install the Keel ARM IDE and explored the important features of it. In this video, let us see how to write a simple assembly language program to multiply two numbers. For this, the program goes in this way. The first line of this program has got three arguments, namely area, code, read only. And this line starts with a tab. The first argument, area, says that we are going to declare program area. And the name for this area is this argument, which will be the program name. Here I am giving the program name as multiply because I am doing the multiplication task. Next argument is code, which says that the area we are declaring is the code area. And third argument is read only, which says this program area is the read only space, because in embedded systems when a program is running the area should not be written, so this area should be read only. Next comes the keyword entry, which says we are entering into the program, and this entry will be done with the keyword as start. Next comes the body of this program, where we will be writing the required task. And next, at the end, we will be writing the end of the program with the keyword end. And here we are doing the task of multiplication. For this, we are making use of 4 registers, namely R1, R2, R3 and R4. The first instruction in this is move R1, number 77, which does the movement of number 77 to the register R1, and here we are moving the decimal number. The next instruction is to the R2 register, we are moving the decimal number 55. When these two values are ready in these two registers, we can multiply them. For multiplication, we are using the instruction mul, followed by 3 arguments R3, R1 and R2. The R1 content and the R2 content will be multiplied each other, and the result will be stored in the destination register R3. And finally, the resultant multiplication result is available in R3, which can be stored in our internal RAM of ARM microprocessor. And we know that in LPC2148, the internal RAM starts at the address 0x40000000. So that address we are moving to this register through the instruction LDR. Next, we are simply storing the resultant value which is available in the register R3 to the memory location pointed by R4, where R4 contains this number, which will be treated as the memory address. Next is the instruction which is branch to the label here, and that itself is here, which says that the control stays here only. And observe some of the key points in this program. Every instruction should start with a tab. Our ARM assembler treats any text which starts with the tab as an instruction, and any text which starts in the first column without a tab will be treated as the label. Now Now let us execute this program in our Keil ARM IDE. Now let us execute this program. For that, open the Keil IDE, create a new project, new Microvision project, save it in the folder where you want, give a project name, example EXPT1, save, select the target processor. I'm going to select the NXP founded by Philips LPC2148. Here it is, and these are the features of it. Click on OK. Here click on No. Now the project is created. Open a new notepad. In this, type in the program. This is the program I have discussed already. Save this file, the same folder where you saved the project. Give a name to the program. I'm going to give it as program 1. The extension should be .s or ASM. Save it. Now you add this assembly file to the project. Add files to source group 1. Here list out the .es files. This is the program file I have created. Add it to the project. Close. Now you can see the program here. Save this project and build it. You should get 0 errors and 0 warnings. Now we can debug this program. Click on OK here. This is the program window, and here we have the registers. Let us execute the instructions one by one. If I execute the first instruction, number 77 is loaded to the register R1, but the number here stored is 4D, which is the hexadecimal equivalent of decimal 77. If I execute the next instruction, decimal 55, whose equivalent hexadecimal value 37 is loaded to the R2 register. Next, we are going to multiply these two numbers. The resultant of this multiplication is 108B. Next, we need to store the resultant value, which is available in the R3 register, into the internal RAM of LPC2148. For that, we are loading this number, which is the starting address of our internal RAM, into the R4 register through LDR instruction. But where is this address? To see that, go to the View menu, Memory Windows, select Memory 1. So in this box, enter the starting address of our internal RAM. You can see the memory map, which is like this. Now if I execute the load instruction, the starting address of that will be loaded to the R4 register. Next, if I execute the store instruction, the resultant multiplied value available in R3 register will be stored in the internal RAM, which is pointed by R4 register. So if I execute that, the resultant value, which was 108B, got stored in the internal RAM's starting location. As you can observe here, the value is stored in the Little Endian format as 8B10. So this is the way you execute a simple assembly language program in the Keil ARM environment. I hope this video is helpful to you, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.